Okay, here we have our model, and I will show you how to uh, split these connectors. So this is a line connector. So if you want to split it, you can press Control Q and it will show this menu. And there are several options here. You can choose like split anywhere or split only at control points. For example, I have defined different control points on this line connector. So I can split at any control point. I want to split it at this corner. So I have selected that control point and then I want to split it here at this corner. I have selected that one. You can see when I just click using the left mouse button, it creates a small sphere of probably yellow color or orange color. So it shows where the connector will be splitted. So again, I will choose now this one and this one. So I have chosen 4 points at which I want to split this connector. Other than this, you have other options like split only at grid points or split only at coordinates. You can give the coordinates here and it will split the line connector at that coordinate, XYZ coordinate. Okay. So you see, initially it was this line connector. And there were 2 line connectors here, but right now there was 1 line connector earlier. Yeah, there was 1 line connector. Right now there are more. Uh, yeah, that's how we split it.